Are you passionate about embroidery? What if I told you that you could turn your hobby into a profitable online business by selling digital embroidery designs? In this video, we'll show you how you can start earning money by selling your digital embroidery designs online, step by step. Digital embroidery involves creating patterns on your computer using specialized software. These designs can then be sold to customers who will use embroidery machines to recreate your artwork on fabric. You don't need an embroidery machine to make money with digital embroidery, just your creativity, a computer, and the right tools. The first step is to set up an online store where you can sell your digital files. Popular platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify make it easy to list and sell digital downloads. When creating your listing, make sure to use clear images of your designs, add a compelling title, and include keywords that potential buyers might search for, like floral embroidery design or machine embroidery pattern. Tip: offer designs in multiple file formats, e.g., PS, DST, EXP, to attract a wider audience. Now that your shop is live, the key to success is marketing your designs. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to share your embroidery work and connect with potential customers. Show behind-the-scenes videos, tutorials, or time-lapse clips of your designs being created. Use hashtags like #embroiderydesign, #digitalembroidery, and #embroideryart to reach a wider audience. To grow your business, consider creating embroidery design bundles, offering seasonal or custom designs, and providing tutorials or guides for beginners. Happy customers can lead to more sales, so encourage them to leave reviews and share their completed projects using your designs. Start turning your embroidery passion into profit today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online.